We're looking at add-ons for Elementor, and the element packed by BD themes can be used for both the free and the pro versions of Elementor. This is JP here with Websites for Beginners, and we're looking at the obligatory audio player. I say that in such a sarcastic tone because it seems like every add-on pack has an audio player and they all do exactly the same. And the reason I'll be a little bit critical over the audio players is because they bring no additional functionality to Elementor, what Elementor already can do. Secondly, I don't really see the application value of it because if you are a musician, there are thousands of other options out online where you can post your music in various formats, in playlists. And if you're a podcast user, there are also widgets and plugins for that. So I would like to extend this challenge also to BD themes, like I've done with other people who make add-ons. Give us something unique. Give us a playlist, an audio playlist. Give us a feature like that will allow people to add something like a setup for a podcast. These are the challenges that people face when trying to put audio on a website. But just the standard audio player, seriously, in my opinion, very, very boring. Having said that, let's look at it because you may just sit there tonight and say, I have this thing that I have to upload on my website and how can I get it there? So let's have a look here. I played this sound and it surprised me. Yes. And okay, some sounds here. So this is the audio player. It's a very standard audio player that you will be getting with any page builder. I mean, the free page builders also include audio players. There's nothing really special about it. And this is the various things that you can do with it. Styling options, only the buttons over here. You can change the colors and you can even change gradients, have a background image. Let's have a look at how it works within Elementor. I'm going to search for audio player, and you can see immediately, even with this comes SoundCloud and audio, and then here EP Element Pack is the audio player from BD Themes. Audio title, you can add a title here, and this song is Oh What a Night. And then you have to go and get your source audio. Now it's a pity this doesn't open in your media player by itself. So what I'm going to do is go to my dashboard, and then from here go into my media library and choose the track over here. What a Night, and then copy everything over there. Pop back here and click on it and then paste it here. And then you can of course play around with the player width and you can align it. Additional, seek bar. Seek and thou shalt find. I would leave the seek bar there. Time duration, you can switch that off. Volume, unmute and mute. So now it is, you don't have the button. So these are display options, volume bar. I would leave the volume bar there. And then here you can set your default volume. And then for your styling, this is where you're going to make all those color changes as you would like. Volume bar, active color and bar height. Okay, that's a little bit freaky. So let's have a listen if it plays. Yes. Oh, what a night. Da, da, da. Okay, yeah. And then, like I said, this is all your color stylings that you can do. If the seek bar, time and duration, play pause button. And I'm trying to figure out what is the background for this. I'm just curious about that. Additional. Where are we going to go into the background? Icon, background color. No, but that's for your icon. Border color, time and duration, seek bar, volume button. Okay, we have background color over there. And then volume bar. So I'm confused. Where is the background? Here? Can't be. Let's put the hamburger in the background. It is! I am so wrong. And let's do a cover. This is the hamburger song. Okay, not far from it. Okay, so there we go. The background is the background for the entire widget. You'll find it under advanced. So just make sure you go check there if you want to add your own styled background to it. Of course, I don't have a proper image here. Everyone's going to think this is very weird. Food. Oh, unless you have some promo radio station podcast for your restaurant, it may make sense. That is the audio player. I'm not going to show more than that because that is exactly what the audio player does. And every time I post something about audio players, I always tell people, if you use it on your website, please leave a message below and tell me where you used it so I can appreciate that this element actually has a function and that people are using it. And then I want to round it off again with my challenge to all developers out there. Give us something like a playlist audio feature in the future. Give us something like integrated audio podcasting. Those are things that I think the social media influencers will be using on their websites.